Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh, oh. Almost got my algorithm. Hands so sticky. Josh, why are the french fries so greasy?
They're french fries.
True.
True.
What? You're fucking baked french fries? You know those taste nasty sometimes.
What?
Bacon french fries.
They actually taste really good.
Well, so... They're not even called french fries.
Yeah, do you even know where french fries were made?
Huh?
Guess where french fries were made?
France?
No, yeah.
New York?
Nope.
Where?
Belgium.
Liar.
I'm not joking.
Mhm.
Yeah. I'll do a Google search after.
You do notice it's gonna make you look like a fat. Wait, no, since it's my history, it's gonna show search, Google search French fries.
Google's my best friend. Mm,
Okay, I'm taking my time with this.
haven't got one of these out turned in a while. Oh, my stickers are kind of getting kind of weird. You guys have a Las Vegas shirt on. Yeah, don't. And I'm just failing here because I'm not even looking ahead. I can't even look ahead of beans. I'm still not even trying to look ahead, which is going slow. And I'm colorblind right now because this lighting is terrible.